So now all you gotta do once you remove the bottom clips is just pull it from this side. Make sure you take off those 3 clips that are in the wheel well, and Brandon's gonna do that now. Look at all that dirt.
A lot.
Oh man. These holes that you see here are how you're gonna mount the rock slider. So when you get your rock sliders, it comes with a hardware bag. I have my own rib nut tool here. It's a better option than the small rib nut tool they give you that are kind of wimpy. So definitely get yourself one of these boys. Basically, you're gonna take this. This was the smaller one. The large ones are for the bottom. I made a mistake. So we're gonna do the top ones first. So what you'll do is you'll insert it like so, and use a little bit of force. And there you go. And then you use this part to remove. We're gonna time skip, and we're gonna get all these on, and then we'll proceed to install. Some of the holes don't fully line up, but with a little persuasion you can get them good. Some of them will go in, like that one did go in. Just get a vice grip and it'll line it up, and then you can get the screw in. Simple, super simple, all right? Bam.